Hey beautiful, it's Kami. Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting my hair ready for my gender reveal and we're aiming for this hairstyle right here. You could call it a natural hairstyle with 2 butterfly braids with a swoop and a high ponytail. So we're gonna start off by getting this scrunchie out of my hair right now. My hair is already freshly washed and blow dried out. And then I'm gonna give my hair another round of detangling. So right now I'm trying to part out my bang. Have y'all ever tried to part your bang and couldn't get the part straight? I tried to do that and it still wouldn't come out right. I even tried to part my hair in a triangle to get a bang and it still wouldn't come out right. I decided to part my hair from ear to ear and then part my bang how I wanted. And I should have did that from the beginning instead of wasting all that time. Girl, please don't be like me. If you're figuring out you can't do something, there's always another way or another method to do it.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing.
After you parted your hair halfway, put the hair that's in the back in the scrunchie. And now let's get started on this bang. So I struggled a little bit trying to do this bang too. I guess because I'm pregnant and I'm trying to make sure everything's perfect. But I got it together the best way I could. After parting one side, you want to twist that side to get the hair out the way. And then get started on the other side.
Wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I'm combing this hair out and then I'm going in with my Creme of Nature hair control because I'm slicking it down and then putting it into a scrunchie afterwards.
Baby, I just wanna talk to you.
While combing out your hair and making sure your hair is nice and slick, you want to take out your edges too for later on. After putting in your scrunchie, make sure your hair is tight enough to where you can manage it. Afterwards, go in with some moisture or any type of product that you use to keep your hair moisturized. And in this case, I use my coconut oil. After putting the product on, you can begin braiding the hair because you're getting ready to do a butterfly braid. After braiding my hair, I sealed my hair with a rubber band at the end. And I should have never did that because when trying to expand my hair from the braid, I couldn't because for one, I braided my hair too tight and then the rubber band was at the bottom. So when you guys are doing this style, please make sure y'all don't seal your hair with the rubber band at the bottom because you won't really be able to expand the hair like how you want to. The same thing you did to the other side of your hair, you want to do to this side too. And I'm going to go back and redo that braid that I made so tight later. Just like how I had made the other braid tight, I wound up making this braid too tight too. Please don't be like me, y'all. So I'm going back and redoing this braid and I gotta do the other side too. When expanding your hair from the braid, you want to expand it just enough and not too much because you want to keep that braid form.
So cozy.
After expanding both braids to your liking, you're going to wrap the two braids around each other and then seal them with a bobby pin. So now on the back part of the hair, you want to make sure your hair is combed out and use whatever product you want to use to slick your hair down and put it in a ponytail. To slick down my hair, I use the Creme Nature Edge Control. Then I went in with my Got To Be Glue Free spray and went in with my blow dryer to make sure the hair was kept in place. After blow drying, I started spiraling my hair, making tight like curls. And I used the Extreme Styling Gel for this method.
I'ma tell you this one time, boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't.
Finally, on a bang, I combed out my hair and then I slicked it down with the Creme of Nature Edge Control. I basically use the Creme of Nature Edge Control to slick down everything.
Nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what, it's all.
After doing that, I swooped my hair to the back and bobby pinned it up.
Oh, you make me feel and believe, baby. Make me feel like
So right here I'm finishing up my edges. I was determining if I wanted to cut my edges because apparently I took out too much, but I wound up just keeping it like that. So I used the Creme of Nature for my edges and it seemed to only work for a little while, and then my hair wound up curling back up. If y'all have my hair type, comment down below and tell me what edge control y'all use so I can use it too. Soon as I was about to show y'all me pinning up my hair to the back, my camera wound up dying, but I wound up pinning it up to the back with a couple of bobby pins. This is the final look that I got. Ain't it so cute? I know y'all probably can't really see my hair because of the lighting from my vanity, but next time I'll make sure I use my ring light too. Comment down below and tell me how did I do. So I wound up going to the bathroom so I could see my hair in this lighting as well. Other than that, this is the end of the video. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The next video is the official general reveal, so please stay tuned for that. Bye!